to Washington, D.C. Dulles Airport with local time is 4:05. Stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. However, if you're sitting in an extra row, please refrain from plugging your devices back into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and area all around your seat to make sure that you have all of your personal belongings. And once the seatbelt sign is off, please take caution opening the overhead compartment. We'll be parking at gate D5. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Once again, we'll be parking at gate D5. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 4. Your feedback is really important to us. If some of you receive a survey asking about your experience via email or on the United app, we'd love to get your feedback about your flight this morning. On behalf of United Airlines, the Star Alliance Network, and especially your Los Angeles-based in-flight crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. We do wish you a pleasant stay here in the Dulles area or wherever your travels may take you. Thank you. Have a wonderful and safe day. And folks, once we park at the gate, please do stand clear of the doors to allow our flight attendants to complete important